How to water your juniper bonsai. Taking care of a juniper bonsai is an art and a science, and one of the most important aspects is proper watering. Watering a bonsai isn't as simple as following a schedule. It's about understanding your tree's unique needs. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about watering a juniper bonsai, so your tree stays healthy and thriving. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our bonsai care videos and tips to help you master the art of bonsai. Let's start with the basics. Juniper bonsai trees thrive in well-draining soil and prefer a watering routine that matches their environment. Unlike some plants, bonsai trees don't like wet feet, meaning their roots shouldn't sit in water for extended periods. At the same time, they need consistent hydration to stay healthy. The key to watering a juniper bonsai is to check the soil daily. Touch the top layer of soil with your fingers. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. But if the soil still feels slightly damp, wait a day and check again. Overwatering is just as harmful as letting the soil dry out completely. When you do water your juniper bonsai, water deeply. Use a watering can with a fine nozzle to evenly saturate the soil. Pour water slowly over the surface until you see it draining from the bottom of the pot. This ensures that the entire root system is properly hydrated. If you're not seeing water drain, check for clogged drainage holes or compacted soil, as these can lead to root rot. It's also important to consider the time of day when watering. Early morning or late afternoon is ideal, especially in hot weather. This prevents the water from evaporating too quickly and gives the tree time to absorb moisture before the hottest part of the day. In winter, junipers go dormant and need less water. During this period, you'll still need to check the soil regularly, but watering will be less frequent. Be cautious of overwatering during dormancy, as the tree uses less water in colder weather. Humidity plays a crucial role in the health of a juniper bonsai. If the air in your environment is particularly dry, consider misting your bonsai daily or placing it near a humidity tray. This helps maintain the right balance of moisture and keeps the needles looking fresh and vibrant. By understanding your juniper bonsai's needs and observing its soil and environment, you can master the art of watering and set your tree up for success. A well-watered bonsai is a healthy bonsai, and with care, your juniper will reward you with its natural beauty for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our bonsai care tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy growing!